Hello, welcome back to Evergreen Organic Garden. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Evergreen Organic Garden. I greet you specially. Oh yes, it's another harvest day. I'm here in the garden connecting with nature and harvesting few of my vegetables. I'm excited as always. I'm grateful to God of the universe for making this possible, guys. It's a beautiful day, guys. A beautiful day. Every day is beautiful. Every day I confess positive. I declare positive things into my life, into my garden. I connect with nature. I'm grateful, guys. So I'm harvesting my vegetables again today, guys. It's a thing of joy for me each time I come to my garden to connect with nature and to also harvest vegetables that are ready for me to harvest. I enjoy doing this, guys. It's a thing of joy. It's a win-win when I get to see my vegetables in the garden thriving, growing healthy, and producing food for me. I get excited. When you grow your own food, you save money. Yes, it saves you money. The vegetables I've harvested so far from my garden, I store them in my freezer. I wash my vegetables very well with vinegar and I blanch them in a hot water. I save them in my freezer. I put in a Ziploc bag and I save in my freezer. Okay, so each time I want to cook, I just take out the vegetables I need from my freezer and cook what I enjoy eating. I cook my vegetable and I enjoy, and it saves me money. Imagine if I have to buy all these vegetables from the store all the time, that will cost me some money, will cost a lot of money. But when I come to my garden and I harvest these vegetables and I preserve them in my freezer to use each time I need them, is a thing of joy. So, and the thing that I really love most about growing my own food is that I have to produce my own food with organic material. I produce my own food with organic material because everything I grow in my garden are all organic vegetables. So no synthetic fertilizer, no spray, nothing. I grow my food the organic way. So that's what I really love the most because this is what goes into my body. This is what I eat. So I have control over what I use in producing my own food. If you are interested in growing your own food, the organic way is doable. You can achieve it if you set your mind to it. All you have to do is just fortify your soil with organic material. You can Google to find out the organic material you can use to enrich your soil. As for me, I bury kitchen scraps, all the organic material in my soil. Coffee grind, eggshell, banana peels, and organic compost manure, and all the beautiful organic materials. These are the things I bury in my soil to grow organic food, guys. This is how I produce my own food. So like I said, it's doable. If you don't have space to grow your food in the ground, you can use planting bags, you can use planting pots to grow your own food. Yes, it's doable. If you've been following me, you will see that I also grow my food in the bags. I grow my food in the planting bags and planting pots. And the planting bags that I use in growing my food, I bought them from Amazon at a very affordable price. So there's always a way, to achieve what you want to achieve if you set your mind to it. So I'm just here harvesting my vegetables today, enjoying the beautiful weather and connecting with nature. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. While you're at it, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload new video. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. I thank you for all your support. So guys, that's what's happening in the garden, just harvesting few more vegetables today. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on my next video.